it's Sarah. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some real life cleaning motivation here in my cozy Halloween kitchen. This is what my kitchen looks like currently. Oh my goodness, it is such a mess. The night before, we just got back into town after being on a little road trip as a family for a few days. And then this morning, my kids just left for school after having 2 weeks off for fall break. It was a crazy and busy few weeks, and like I said, the night before, we just got back into town after going on a little road trip, and everyone was exhausted, so everyone just threw everything everywhere. And then this morning they had to go to school, and it was crazy anyway because they've had so much time off. So it was a rough morning, but we made it through, and here we are. All right, let's light this fall candle and tackle this messy kitchen together. I hope this gives you some cozy fall cleaning motivation to get some cleaning done around your home if you have to yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. You'll probably be able to see some balloons and some pop balloons there in the background, and that is because 3 of our kids had birthdays this past week and we celebrated them. It was tons of fun, but this is the aftermath of it. Balloons everywhere. Other than celebrating birthdays, we also took our kids in town to a pumpkin patch. We always try to do that every year. It is a family tradition. We had a lot of fun. The kids went on hay rides, and we were able to pick out their pumpkin that they're going to carve here coming up soon. So that was a lot of fun as well. When we were in town, I also was able to stop by Hobby Lobby, and I have not been in one for months and months. We live about 2 hours away from one, so that was super exciting to go in one and take a look at all their Christmas decor they have out. I knew when we were out we were going to stop by there, so I did make a list of everything that I needed because I feel like I go in and can get very overwhelmed with everything. And really, you just want to buy everything in there because everything is so cute. So I was really trying to stick to a budget and just pick out what I needed. So I have a huge Hobby Lobby Christmas haul coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, I did decorate here in my kitchen for Halloween, as well as some other places here in my home. So I will link those videos down below if you want to get some fun, cozy Halloween decorating ideas.
As the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and life. Sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, heart is yours to own. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. Walking in cold nights with your hand in mine, all wrapped up warm, sitting by the fire. This life is the best, living wild and free, with you there right next to me.
So I've had some people ask me how I keep my house clean with 8 kids and how it looks so nice all the time in my videos, but honestly, this is what it looks like most of the time when my kids are home from school. During the day when they are in school, I can keep up with everything pretty well, but over the weekend and when they're home for a while, this is reality and what our home looks like. We also do have a loft upstairs that is the kids area, and that kind of brings the mess upstairs. They can play up there and have all their toys up there and stuff like that. So that kind of keeps the main areas pretty clean. So that helps a lot also. So no, our home is not perfect all the time with 10 people living here. Obviously it gets quite messy and it takes a lot to keep up with it, but we try our best, and we feel our life is crazy enough with 8 kids, so having a clean space really helps us all function better, and it's just something we really all try to work towards. Aren't these flowers beautiful? My husband picked them up for me about a week ago. We did go out of town and they never got watered, so I'm going to water them and hope they last a little longer. I just love having fresh flowers here in our home.
By your side.
I am really excited to decorate for Christmas here in our home. Last year I did wait until almost Thanksgiving to start decorating, but I think this year I'm going to start earlier than that. Let me know down below in the comments when you start decorating for Christmas, if you decorate November 1st, after Thanksgiving, or not until December. my goodness, look at this counter. This is so messy. As you can tell, this is our catch-all counter. Everyone just drops everything off and walks away. And this is what it looks like. It is obviously worse than normal just because my kids have been home for fall break, but I'm going to tidy it up some and make it nice and clean and enjoy it for at least a few hours before my kids get home from school again.
It's been a long time coming, took the long way around, but I think I see something coming up from the ground. And I don't know if I told you, but I think you're the world. Yeah, and I got this feeling you could be my girl. Come on, darling, run away with me. We could see what there is to see. And your love's like a crazy dream. See it running through an open door. I don't wanna be alone no more. And your love's like a crazy dream. Burning, you set me on fire. I don't know what to do with all these crazy desires. It's been a long day, darling. I need someone to hold. Won't you come over here and cuddle up to my soul?
All right, it is time to sweep up this floor and get rid of all those pop balloons that are absolutely everywhere. I feel like I have a love-hate relationship with balloons. We love having them when we decorate for birthdays and stuff like that, but cleaning them up is just a mess. Don't worry, I did go back and get that red balloon that is stuck under the counter. I didn't see it the first time, but I did go back and see it and picked it up.
Love you, I will always care about you, and I will always love you. I will always care about you. Come on, darling, run away with me. We could see what there is to see. And your love's like a crazy dream. See you running through an open door. I don't wanna be alone no more. Your love's like a crazy dream. Come on away, your love's like a crazy dream.
All right, we are done. I'm going to light this candle and give you a little walkthrough now that everything is nice and clean and tidy and ready for a new day. I'll be honest, I did not want to clean at all today. I was exhausted from the last few weeks with the kids home and getting home late from our road trip the night before, but I am so glad that I just got to work and pushed through and cleaned up this kitchen. All right, you guys, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation to maybe get some things done around your home yourself. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to have you. I'm excited to share with you a bunch of cozy Christmas decorating videos coming up here soon, so you don't want to miss them. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.